My name is Robert Graebert. I'm the CTO of Graebert GmbH. Today I will talk to you about how Graebert leverages the ODA toolkits to develop the Iris CAD platform with its unique ability to run the same code on mobile, desktop, and cloud. Graebert is based in Berlin, Germany. Our company has been in the market to supply DWG solutions for 30 years and has been a member of the Open Design Alliance since the beginning. The Iris CAD technology is both sold directly to end customers under our own brand Iris and licensed to developers, including a number of ODA members, as a CAD platform. What sets the Iris CAD software apart is our Trinity concept. Iris offers the same core CAD features to create and modify DWG files on Windows, Mac, and Linux, but also on mobile and cloud. Underneath each of the Iris solutions, we leverage many SDKs from the ODA. The most important is the Drawings SDK, which we use for native DWG support. We also use several industry-specific SDKs such as the IFC and BIMRV or the Mechanical Silver Map SDKs. Another way to look at Iris is to see it as a development platform that is extending the ODA toolkits with a full set of 2D and 3D CAD features that help developers with a faster go-to-market. And this both with APIs that are ODA-based or APIs that offer an easy migration from AutoCAD or other similar CAD systems. You can therefore rely on our platform for the CAD features and focus your development on the capabilities that make your solutions unique in the market. I will now show a couple of examples from different industries on how partners leverage Iris. As a first example, this is a French partner that is specializing in industrial piping. They have 3 solutions used to run as plugins for AutoCAD. Now they're based on Iris, and their customers no longer need to purchase AutoCAD. Besides, Itelia is now able to sell the full package under their own brand Europack. For the AEC segment, I would like to take the example of SiteMaster Kitchen, that's developed for the Graebert surveying department. What's most interesting here is that the application is used in the field. With our Trinity SDK, we can use the same technology for Windows and mobile devices running iOS and Android. In the mechanical field, I would like to take the example of DraftSight. It's been a huge success with millions of users from all over the world. These users are generating a lot of feedback, and we are focused on contributing back the resulting improvements to the ODA. Another interesting aspect is to see how Dassault Systèmes integrates the DWG editing features powered by Iris within their ecosystem. As an example, you can see here the integration with the 3D Experience Marketplace that the DraftSight user can use to look for manufacturers for their design. And most recently, Dassault Systèmes released the integration with the 3D Experience cloud-based collaboration platform, which is now becoming the backbone for all products from Dassault Systèmes. Finally, I want to show you an example of cloud and production. Onshape, now a PTC business, was started with the idea of bringing mechanical CAD to the cloud. Onshape teamed up with Graebert to develop a unique drawing solution for the Onshape users. Onshape Drawings illustrates how Iris Kudo is a full-blown CAD platform for 2D DWG editing in the cloud. Inside Onshape, the integration between the Onshape solid modeling environment and the drawing environment based on Iris Kudo is seamless. It is an example of how cloud enables newer and deeper integration models. Before I wrap up, I'll give you a demonstration of how quickly developers can leverage their investment in TX Code to reach cloud and mobile users. We live in a world with more and more users that are mobile first or use only web devices. These users also want to interact with CAD data. At the same time, developers want to meet customers where they are and generate better returns on investment by addressing more devices and screens. In our demo scenario, we want to provide users with the interactive model checking logic on their device. We will address this need by first developing a checking function with the ODA MFC app, and then migrate it to Iris Commander, add some interactive elements, and then port it to mobile and cloud. In the interest of time, I will only share with you the results, but please contact me if you want to see the underlying code. First, we create a TX module that scans the geometry stored in a DWG file for closed loops and intersections and presents the results in the output window at the bottom. Now we take the original code and add 2 extensions, a configuration dialog and 2 preview trackers that show the results interactively. These additions are implemented with the Iris Trinity extensions 2TX. As the Iris Trinity SDK is supported on all platforms, we can run the same extension on iOS with no changes. The same is true for the browser. Here Iris Kudo, deployed on-premise or from our SaaS offering, runs the same extension with no changes. In conclusion, we can support you in your migration from other CAD software with our compatible APIs or help you in bringing your investment in TX to cloud and mobile devices. Thank you for watching this presentation. You can find my contact information on this slide. Feel free to reach out if you want to learn more about Iris. I want to thank Neil and the ODA team for the opportunity to talk today. I think the ODA plays a very important role in the CAD industry and has proven to be a very reliable partner to all of us. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of the presentations.